Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to allowing MySQL remote in Debian server. First, we need to log in as root user. And then, we need to go MySQL directory. And we can enter to mariadb.conf.d. And you can see there is 50server.cnf in there. So, we need to edit that file using nano 50server.cnf. And you can see there is bin address only for localhost. If you want to allowing remote MySQL, you need to change to 0.0.0 in IP address, because this will allow all networks to connect it to your MySQL in Debian server. And you can save the configuration, and then you can restart MySQL service. And then you can hit enter. Wait until MySQL service restart. That's all. Tutorial how to allowing MySQL remote in Debian server. Thanks for watching and bye bye.